You'll be spoiled with incredible dining options aboard the Royal Caribbean cruise. And today, we're diving into one of its signature experiences, Teppanyaki. It's not just about the food, it's a sizzling performance that'll leave you in awe. Stick with us to see why this is one of the best culinary adventures at sea. As you step into Teppanyaki, excitement fills the air. Watch as expert chefs transform cooking into a live performance, grilling your meal right at the table. From succulent lobster and fresh scallops to tender wagyu beef and Nai strip steak, each dish is a masterpiece, perfectly cooked right before your eyes. Bold flavors, unforgettable moments. This is dining like you've never experienced before. The show goes beyond the food. Flames rise, spatulas fly, and chefs perform jaw-dropping tricks, all while preparing perfectly seasoned dishes. Teppanyaki is more than just a meal, it's an unforgettable live show. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion or just seeking an extraordinary dining experience, Teppanyaki delivers on every level. Want to reserve your spot? Book easily through the Cruise Planner or Royal Caribbean app. Craving more Royal Caribbean adventures? Like, comment, and subscribe for insider tips, travel reviews, and luxury destination guides. And when you're ready to plan your next getaway, let RSBU Travel be your guide. From luxury stays to tailored experiences, we'll turn your travel dreams into reality. Your next journey starts with RSBU Travel, where every trip is unforgettable.